if you're in the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, you can't purchase the extended battery for the Mini 3 Pro. This is the standard one, and it has the 249 gram marked on it. The extended one doesn't. Apart from that, it physically looks identical in every way. It's heavier, and that's the point. You can't buy this from DJI, and you can't really purchase it from any stores that I have found in the UK as standard. The reasons for this are because DJI don't want to sell it to the UK, because it would then take the Mini 3 Pro out of the Class 1 category and move it into the Class 3 category, unless you have an A2C of C, and then it'll allow you to fly in the A2 category. But many of you don't, so it would move your Mini 3 Pro from the A1 class to the A3 class, which has a lot more restrictions. And DJI probably don't want the responsibility of possible lawsuits, possible infringements coming from Mini 3 Pro flyers who buy the extended and heavier battery from the DJI website and then fly in an area where they should be flying, or fly out with the restrictions that the A3 category allows. But it's not illegal to purchase this if you live in the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and neither is it illegal to fly with it. You can fly with it as long as you understand that you're now flying in the A3 category or the A2 category where A2C of C rather than the A1 category. It's fine. You're absolutely allowed to do it. So you can purchase these and you can pick them up from other sources. eBay, a friend who lives abroad who can buy it and send it to you. Other sources are available. I'm sure you can find one if you want. And I did. I bought one because I was curious and I wanted to know just how much longer will your Mini 3 Pro fly with the extended battery compared with the lighter standard battery. Now, we all know that DJI have specifications on their website that don't really match with reality. So the only way to find out for real is to go out and test it, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to stick the Mini 3 Pro standard battery in my Mini 3 Pro, and it's going to be very boring for me. And I'm just going to fly it around this field until the battery finally hits the return to home, and at that point that's when I'm going to end the test, at the return to home. But I will also look at how much is power left in the battery according to the telemetry when the return to home is activated, and then I'll do the exact same with extended battery, which should fly for a lot longer, which is going to be even more boring for me because I'm just going to be standing here flying around in a great big square or circle or triangle once again until the return to home low battery warning activates, and then I'll stop the test. But we'll pay attention to the percentage left in the battery according to the telemetry when that happens. Okay, so a long day ahead, here we go.
I filled my hands, but my heart was longing for something more, and you called my name, said you knew me long before I was born. Ooh. last of these. Oh, your love. Oh, your love. Oh, in the end, when I close at last my weary eyes, take me home to be with you in paradise. Oh, your love. Oh, your love. Oh, your love. Oh, your love. Oh, this is my song. Oh, this is my story. Oh, I'll praise you all of my days. Oh, this is my song. Oh, this is my story.
So both flights complete, and obviously, as you'd expect, quite a bit of difference and quite a bit more flight time with the extended battery. I'll be doing more testing with the extended battery and the RC Pro versus the RM330, so if you want to be informed of when my new videos are being released, click the wee bell below, give us a thumbs up, see you next time.